Businessman found dead with hands and feet bound in St. Catherine. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Catherine North Police are investigating an incident in which a businessman was found dead with his hands and feet bound on Thursday. He has been identified as Douglas Henlon of a Bushy Park community. Reports are that at around 10:50 a.m., the lawmen were summoned to High House District near Old Harbor, where the body was found. Blood was also seen coming from the victim's head. The Old Harbor Criminal Investigation Branch is probing the matter. The police have not yet established a definitive motive for this latest attack. However, the police believe that robbery might be a motive as the house was ransacked. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.